500 years ago, this was the richest city on earth. Today, it's rubble. You're looking at Hampi, Karnataka, India, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A place so vast and beautiful that it doesn't feel real. In 1336 AD, two brothers, Harihara and Bukka, built an empire here on the banks of Tungabhadra River. They called it Vijayanagara. At its peak, Vijayanagara had a population of 500,000 people. It was bigger than Paris, richer than London. Persian travelers wrote that its bazaars were overflowing with silk, diamonds, and spices. Its temples were covered in gold. This wasn't just a kingdom, it was a civilization. A place where Hindu, Jain, and Islamic architecture fused together. You can see it in the arches, in the domes, in the carvings. Different faiths, one empire. The stone chariot you see here, it doesn't have a single metal nail. Every joint is interlocking stone, built in the 1500s, and it hasn't moved a millimeter. Then in 1565, five Deccan sultanates joined forces and attacked. The battle lasted just one day. The looting lasted 6 months. They burnt it, broke it, and walked away. One of the greatest civilizations in human history, erased in 6 months. When travelers arrived years later, they thought they were looking at the ruins of ancient Rome. But here's what they couldn't destroy: the stone. 500 years later, Hampi still stands, still silent, still waiting for someone to look closely enough. Save this, because most people will walk through their whole lives and never know this place existed.